Hi everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Friends, if you are a would-be bride or running a parlor, then you must watch this video till end cause here I am showing few latest bridal makeup look collection. So please watch this video and I'm sure you will get some idea about what type of jewelry you can wear, how much dark makeup will look good on your face, etc. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.